Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Analisa Almete. I'm 42 years old. I have one son. He is 9 years old. I live in Bagong Bayan, Buanga, Aklan, Philippines. I have one sister. I am the eldest in the family. I am high school graduate. Yes, Mom, I worked in Qatar for 2 years to a couple with 3 children. 7 years old, 10 years old, 7 months. I do cooking, cleaning, marketing, laundry, ironing, and car washing. But my main duties is taking care of children. I am hardworking, honest, responsible mom. Hi, Mom and Sir. I hope you will select me as your helper. I am hardworking and good with kids. I promise to treat you, your family, my family also. And I will serve you with all my best. Thank you. I hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.